Hello, Bishop State, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday into with your host, Robert McWilliams. Today's tip is going to be on using ZamZar for file conversion. Now, ZamZar is a web-based tool for converting files on your desktop to another format. And it includes anything from image files, document files, music, and video files. There's over 1,100 formats supported. So the items you need for this exercise is the file that you desire to convert, and of course, the actual website of ZamZar. So when you go to zamzar.com, you will come to this screen. Basically, you would pick the file that you want to or desire to upload. Once you find that file, you can then go to what you desire to convert that file. Now, every semester, it seems without fail, I usually get a request from an instructor who gets a non-Word document submitted to as an assignment in Canvas or email. Usually it's a page file. Sometimes it may even be an open office document. And of course, in essence, because they don't have pages on their computer or open office on their computer, they cannot view it because it should have been sent in a Word document. So if you find yourself in that situation, you can take that file, add it, and then convert it on over to a doc or docx, which is a Word document. And then in essence, you can click convert and then wait, and it'll give you the option to download. Or if you so desire, you can check the box and have the converted file emailed to you. Again, this is a free resource. Now, if you find yourself converting numerous files a day, then of course you can sign up for the paid options. But in essence, that is how you use ZamZar to convert your files over. Thank you so much for watching.